Here is SnapEdit app remove objects AI. So you can say like, well, there are a bunch of apps which are already doing that. There are features in Canva, I guess in Photoshop, like everywhere, I guess, like where, you can just remove objects. But this app is pretty cool and definitely give a try to it. I just tried it out and I'm like super impressed. So here you have this feature which is like one touch. So for example, I just want to remove objects and I have three options here. I have auto AI, manual, or one touch. So auto AI is pretty cool, which basically automatically detects objects which you can remove. So as you can see, by default, you can just remove people, and this app will automatically identify people on your photo, and then you will just be able to remove them. Also, there is others, and others, you just have, for example, other objects, and I just select these are AirPods, and I just want to remove this from this table, for example. And there you have it. So that's, as you can see, it's not that good, but of course, this is like a complicated example, I guess, because like this is like the table, it's quite hard, but it's pretty cool, like what it can do. So let's, for example, all right, so let's just try the photo, like some like screenshot. Then if I want to remove like person, there you have it. So now it's a bit better. So as you can see, wow, that's pretty cool. And then just like, and now that's just been removed. So as you can see, this app is quite powerful with this AI feature. And then there is also one touch feature where one touch is just finds some suggestions which it just kind of wants to remove from this photo. And then I can just tap remove all and just remove all suggestions. So let's just try it out. And yeah, there you have it. So now everything is kind of removed from the photo. So yeah, as you can see, pretty cool app. It's quite impressive if you haven't tried apps like this before. And this AI photo editing is become really high quality. Of course, it's not there yet, but the fact that, you don't need to manually use your brush or whatever to remove some person from the photo or to remove something, it's automatically finds everything using AI. So for example, the sky. So let's try it out. So for example, here is the photo, it's blue sky. But yeah, there are already a bunch of apps which kind of use that. And then you can see the result. And it's pretty realistic what it's doing. It's pretty cool. So you can give it a try. So yeah, something like that. And then yeah, as you can see, that's basically the idea. So yeah, try out this app definitely. Of course, if you wanted to upgrade, they have a really nice deal, as I think, which is like lifetime deal. You just pay $100 and you have lifetime access. Also, you can pay weekly or you can pay yearly. Yearly, it's just $9 yearly. Okay, just $9 for the first 6 months. So pretty cool deals right now in this app. And then you can remove backgrounds, you can use some artifacts, you can also create some anime AI. So all these things you can just do. And so give a try to this app definitely. You can see here, so you can apply artifacts, restore old photos, generate anime AI, remove backgrounds, change sky backgrounds, enhance images, remove objects. All of these things you can have here. So yeah, try it out.